everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina. I am a certified lash tech based in Toronto, Canada. I like making lash extension videos. And today I'm not going to be speaking too much because this is more of a lash with me. You can kind of watch the process, but I will kind of touch upon how I kind of achieve this look because it is a wispy mega volume set, meaning I'm using 0.03. And I'm also doing it in a doll eye. I did kind of take on a different technique for this set. Usually for wispy sets, I kind of just, free-handedly go. But this one I did have a certain mapping style where I have a base length of 8 to 12. And then the spike length is 11 to 15. When I say base length, they're all the fans. It's to create a dark lash line because she did ask for mega volume, so I'm trying to go dense, if that makes sense. So basically what I do is I add 3 fans per spike, and then for spikes I just kind of randomly go because we're still going wispy, so it's not going to be super organized or anything. But I do keep it very, very, consistent when it comes to the pattern of fans. That way it just looks very equal and doesn't look too uneven, because I still want to create some type of symmetry, but because it is wispy, it is a little bit more fun. You can go and kind of experiment a little bit. However, this is how I did it. I kind of just did a few spikes that I thought were working in terms of like density, and then I would just move on and add 3 more spikes. So for this client, she had a little bit of sparsity in her lashes. I guess some of her old lashes still needed to come and grow in, so adding the spikes was a little difficult because it wasn't as organized because of the gaps. And I'm not gonna lash baby lashes like I've mentioned before, so as you can see, I'm just kind of going with the flow and seeing how this turns out. And at the end it was very wispy, very still dark and very lifted looking in terms of opening up the eye, and she really likes doll eyes, so I made sure to really open up those eyes. And yes, I still use bonder to create the spikes. I just wanted the spikes to be as spiky as possible because she said that she hates when they're all one level. So that's why we're adding in a bunch of texture, because a lot of clients who ask for something like this are very particular that they do not like the fluffy dense look, and I always want to make the client really happy. Yeah, there's not much I'm gonna go into it. Again, like, it's just the basic mapping. For doll eye, very, very repetitive in terms of my other wispy sets, but I thought it'd be a calming video to watch because it is going to be a time-lapse video. So enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and just, yeah, watch my technique, watch how I apply the lashes, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. どうしていたと思いますか? But some days I just find it too hard. Too hard. I just can't deal with them, deal with them, deal with them. Sometimes I just get too annoyed, too annoyed, too annoyed. Sometimes. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's gotta be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Bar 361 they wouldn't break. Maybe they'd break my bones, maybe they'd turn me into stone. But maybe I'd find a new home, and maybe I'd never be alone anymore. So I'll go to outer space where nothing knows my name. There's gotta be life in some other galaxy. I'll find them and you'll see how good they'll be to me. 'Cause on Bar 361 they wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. They wouldn't break my heart. My heart. They wouldn't break my heart.
Sometimes you're physically bound down, but mentally gone 10 years ahead. You dream of something you don't really want, and when you return, everyone has moved on.